students, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to the presentation of the new project, ILIS, Innovations and Learning in Spa Management. I'm very proud to welcome our international guests here in the first row. We are really multicultural and multi-international. Jim will be very happy. First of all, let me introduce our guests. I start with our head of the program, Mrs. Susanna Sari.
Hello, thank you.
And also from Finland, Helen Ruminen. Let's go on with Spain, Carlos Gonzalez and Mora. Our colleagues from the UK, Debbie and Alfred, and the colleagues from Poland, Nikolai and Masha. For an overview, short, what will await you. First of all, Susanna will tell you something about the new project, how it came to ILIS and what is ILIS, what are the aims of ILIS and so on. Then each of the countries will present their own spa landscape, what's about the spa market in their countries, a short overview, and after that we've also done the research in the last months, and Mr. Illing will present you the results of this research. Okay, so let's start.
I will do it this way. I'm not a pop star, as you already know, but I want to take a picture from here. We have some documentary for EU. This is not for your teachers to see who was present and who escaped. Very good. Okay, so good morning, everybody. Like Daniel said, my name is Susanna Sari, and I come from Finland. My background is in the hotel management. I graduated quite a long time ago, and I have been working around the world, and the spa has become my interest only, I'll say, in the past 5 years. And much thanks to both to Belle and my colleague, she has been interested in the wellness side of things for a very long time, and so we started talking about spas, wellness, overall these kinds of topics. And so this was like 5-6 years ago, and now we are here. Welcome. Have a seat. This is my back room, right? People make breakfast, the same everywhere. First of all, I have to apologize for the technical things. I'm using the latest edition of Microsoft, and the template was done in the previous one, therefore it looks a bit funny, but we'll try to survive with this. And you can see here the logo we have done for the project and all the other important things. I basically tried to answer 2 questions quite quickly. What is ILIS all about? And how was the journey from an idea to the project accomplished? Because it's been a long journey and we are only halfway through in the project itself. So, well, like you all already know, the background is in the spa tourism. We basically have been talking about health tourism, and then within the health tourism we have the spa tourism as a very quickly growing area. And so these are just a couple of words or a couple of sentences from the actual application where we try to convince the Commission that they should really give us some money for the project. And the partners, just quickly, we already have the countries, but I come from Turku University of Applied Sciences. We are the coordinating partner. We were the ones who were actually doing the application, all the hard typing work of it with the help of our partners. We have University College Birmingham, and then we have University School of Physical Education from Krakow in Poland, Florida University from Valencia, Spain, and then of course your own University of Applied Sciences. And then what's interesting in this project is that we have all brought in industry partners to work with. So this was the basic idea from the very beginning when we saw what EU, what Commission is basically funding. They fund several different types of projects, and one of the project lines was cooperation between higher education and enterprises. So we felt that this was an area where we would like to go into, and so everybody was, all the partners were asked to approach industry members within their own communities in the cities or in the nearby areas, where who would be interested in joining us for this type of a research project. So here you have the spas that have joined us. We have Holiday Club Caribbean. Everybody will be doing their little presentations. I'm sure you will probably see some pictures of these later on. Holiday Club Caribbean, a chain spa, Japanese Springs, also Japanese is a chain in UK. Oh, also Rodek, something rehab in Poland, very difficult name. And then we have La Calderona in Valencia, and then something you're all familiar with, the Life Medicine Resorts, where we are lucky to stay. We have been there for 2 nights now, and it's a beautiful place. I really like it. I think I will stay here instead of going home. We have aims and objectives for the project. This is a very formal way of putting them. These are once again from the application. But basically, the idea when we first started was to understand how these different 5 countries, how the spa business is in these 5 countries. At some point in 2004, in fact, a German Dr. Monika Ruhle made her PhD thesis in which she identified 5 different types of spa countries within Europe. And that basic framework was used when we were looking for partners. So we picked up a partner from each of the 5 countries. And so now we are looking into how these 5 countries are when it comes to spa business. We are looking into the demand that customers want. We are also looking into what the spas are actually supplying, what the business offer from them is. And then this is something we are looking more deeply today when Professor Iling is presenting the research findings for you. So we get to know a bit about the business, and after this is the basic sort of step 1. And then the step 2 would be based on those research findings, we will then come up with some virtual learning modules. So at the end, we hope to have 40 European credits worth of virtual learning modules basically for mid-level and manager-level personnel. So it's not about hands-on job like massage or therapy, so as such, more on the management level.